back here on Pierre. Got the back end up. Last time we were getting all the rear brake lines off and everything. Today, well, we have this leaky diff. First order of this is I'm gonna pull a diff cover, get this drained, check out everything in there. Then we're gonna pull our rear wheels, get that situation resolved, and then see what Tom wants to do about this rear sway bar. It's not OEM, but it's of OEM type. It's a little hokey, but it does work. So all the bolts are out. This thing has obviously been glued on. It's not going anywhere. So I'm gonna throw a bolt in it just to hold it. And then pop it off. All right. Ooh. Yucky. Drain. Bolts out. Rest of the way. The oil seems pretty fresh. There's a ton of silicone. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ew. Wow. Looks like somebody didn't know what they were doing. Ugh. Silicone mess. Holy shit. It's supposed to be gasketed, but instead we just silicone grenade it. That's not good. That's not good at all. Alright, got the shoe off here on the driver's side, rear. Ugh. You can obviously tell stuff's been leaking. You can tell right there because that paint is cracked from brake fluid, obviously. You can see the dust is stuck on the trails. Fluid went left. And of course, that shoe's cracked. That shoe's cracked. Holy moly, and everything's nice and wet. Fun. Alright, we get to go through all that. Passenger side, same story. That's not good. Alright, our diff is cleaned. More yucky silicone around the edges. I do need to clean off our gears a little bit still, as they have had a little bit of chunkies. But our surface, where our gasket goes, is ready to go. Alright, that's ready. That's ready. Our gasket is ready. Here we go. Ah, turn off.